If you run an e-commerce brand and you're not using email automation the right way, you're literally walking past a pile of money every single day without picking it up. Sounds dramatic? Yeah, okay, maybe a little bit. But I'm a passionate guy. But seriously, get this. Some stores are making 30% of their total revenue just from automated emails. That's money coming in while they're asleep. And no, this isn't some secret known by only 7-figure brands with massive teams. These flows are simple, they work, and you don't need a fancy setup to use them. So in this video, I'm going to break down for you the exact 5 email flows that turn casual browsers into buyers and buyers into loyal fans. Now let's do it. First up is the welcome series. And trust me, this one is a non-negotiable. It's the flow that gets triggered the second somebody joins your email list. That welcome email, it gets 4 times the open rate of any other campaign. Why? Because your subscriber is most engaged right after they give you their email. So what should be in your welcome flow? Email 1. Say hey, deliver the discount or whatever you promised and briefly intro your brand. And remember, this one should be sent immediately. Email 2. Share your story. Why you started the brand, why you care about it, humanize it. Email 3. Hit them with social proof. Customer stories, user-generated content, reviews. Make sure they feel like they've joined a movement. Email 4. Now that they know you and they trust you, it's time to guide them through that first purchase. Highlight a hero product. Tell them why people love it. Make the CTA clear. Number 5. Drop a bonus or a discount if they still haven't purchased. It's as simple as that. Keep it short, mobile friendly, and always have one clear CTA per email. This flow alone can drive 20 to 25% of your email revenue on autopilot. And yes, you can build this entire flow inside GetResponse with pre-built templates. I'll link it below. Next up, the abandoned cart flow. Look, we've all been there. You're scrolling, you add your stuff to the cart, you're almost hit by, and then your dog starts barking, or your phone rings, and the moment, it's just lost. That's where the abandoned cart email comes in. It's your gentle little nudge. Here's how to structure it. Email 1, around 1 hour after they've abandoned the cart. A friendly reminder, keep it casual. Show the product image, maybe mention free shipping or easy returns. Second email, 24 hours later, add a little urgency or a soft incentive. If you're offering a small discount, this would be where you drop it. And email 3, about 48 hours later. This is the closer. Highlight a customer review of the product, mention the stock again, and give them one last CTA. And here is why this flow matters. Abandoned cart emails recover 10 to 15% of lost sales. That's huge. Also, make sure your email is mobile friendly because over 55% of people check emails on their phone. Now let's talk about post-purchase flow. Most brands stop talking to a customer after they buy. Big mistake. Nay, huge mistake. Your post-purchase emails are where you build loyalty, reduce buyer remorse, and set the stage for repeat purchases. Let's break it down. Here's what this flow should include. Email number 1, order confirmation. Thank them genuinely, let them know what happens next. Shipping times, order summary, super simple stuff. Email number 2, teach them how to use or take care of the product, especially if you sell something like skincare supplements or tech. Email number 3, upsell, cross-sell. If they bought product A, what's the perfect add-on? Introduce it casually. Recommend it, don't hard sell it. You can use dynamic content so the recommendation matches what they actually purchase, which, by the way, we do have here at GetResponse. Email number 4, ask for a review. If they're happy, now is the time to get that social proof or word of mouth. And keep it simple. Plus, here are some extra things to keep in mind. Use this flow to reinforce the experience, not just the transaction. Segment based on the product to keep things relevant, and add a customer support link or FAQ just in case they have questions. Alright, now let's talk about the people who ghosted you. We all know that hurts. They bought once, or maybe even a few times, and then nothing. Crickets. Hear those? Crickets. Don't take it personally though. Life gets busy, people just forget. But here's the good news. With a win-back flow, you can reactivate those cold subscribers and bring them back into the buying cycle without starting from scratch. This flow automatically targets subscribers or customers who haven't engaged or purchased in a while, usually 60 to 90 days of silence. Why is it worth it? These people already know you. They've trusted you before. That makes them way easier and cheaper to convert again if you give them a good reason to come back. And here's how I set it up. Email number 1, the nudge. This one's a light, friendly, and maybe even a little bit of a playful reminder. No pressure, just a, hey, we miss you type of vibe. You can link to new arrivals, bestsellers, or blog posts to ease them back in. Email number 2, the offer. Now you give them a reason to act. A limited time discount, a bonus gift, or free shipping. Something with urgency. Email number 3, the breakup. Optional, but powerful. Here, you give them a choice, stay or go. It filters out dead leads and re-engages people through curiosity or FOMO. Should we stop emailing you? In the subject line in a polite, honest body. We don't want to be annoying. If you still want our updates, click below and stay in the loop. Otherwise, no hard feelings. And this gives your deliverability a boost too, right? Because you're keeping your list clean. And according to studies, win-back emails can reactivate 10 to 25% of lapsed users. So before you pour money into ads, try reactivating the people who already liked you once before. And again, you can automate the whole sequence in GetResponse. Just set the rules and let the platform do the rest. All right, the last one we have on our list is the customer loyalty flow. This one is for your best customers, the people who come back again and again and spend more and love your brand like it's a lifestyle. Too many brands chase new buyers, but totally forget to nurture the ones who already said yes, sometimes multiple times. This flow flips that, and here's how to set it up. First, we need a trigger. Set a rule like customer who has spent over $200 or has made more than 3 purchases in 6 months. Your email platform should allow this kind of segmentation. If it doesn't, it's time to move to GetResponse. Just saying. Let's get into the emails. First one, the recognition. This email is all about making them feel special. Celebrate them. Email number 2, the reward. Give them something exclusive. Early access, a discount, or a surprise gift. This builds loyalty and drives repeat purchases. Email number 3, the community invite. If you have a referral program, a private group, or a sneak peek content, this is the time to invite them in. Pro tips, add a VIP tag to their account for future campaigns. Use dynamic blocks to show different offers to VIP users versus regular buyers. And gamify it. Let them know how close they are to becoming a VIP to boost the spend. Now here's the problem that most brands run into. They try to DIY these flows from scratch, copying and pasting templates from blogs, manually sending emails, juggling 5 different tools. It's chaos. Kind of like building IKEA furniture with no instructions and 1 missing screw. Frustrating and half finished, we've all been there. But when you automate these flows inside a tool like GetResponse, you're not just saving time, you're building a system that grows your business on autopilot. And if you want to learn more about that, I will link some good stuff just below. And that's a wrap. These are the 5 email flows that every e-commerce brand needs to have running in the background. You need to. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe if you're feeling fancy, and if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. I promise to reply to every single one. Now go set those flows up and watch your email do the heavy lifting. You got this. Happy marketing.